Fans, we've all been there. The clock's ticking, the deadline's coming, and boom, your internet drops. But tonight, Google Docs is playing Road Warrior, and we're getting it ready to perform offline. First quarter, we're lining up in the right browser. Fire up Google Chrome or the latest Edge, log into that Google account, and head to docs.google.com. That's our home field. Second quarter, we're bringing in a key teammate, the Google Docs offline extension. Maybe Google flashes you a prompt. If it does, you smash that enable button. If not, you sprint to the Chrome Web Store, search Google Docs offline, and add that extension like a mid-season pickup. Third quarter, we're going to Google Drive at drive.google.com. Top right gear icon, into Settings, General tab, and we check that box to create and edit recent files offline. Hit Done. Offline mode is now officially activated for Docs, Sheets, and Slides. Fourth quarter, we pick our starters. On docs.google.com, right-click a document, hit Available Offline, and wait for that little checkmark. Do it for your big papers, reports, and playbooks. Now the final test. Kill the Wi-Fi, flip on airplane mode, head back to docs.google.com and watch those offline files step up. You type, it saves, and when you're back online, everything syncs. Internet or not, your Docs just became a full-time player.